guys, welcome back to Learn Golf with Cassie. Today is a very chilly day. The wind is crazy today. We're going to be playing me, Coach Dad. He's going to be off 4, I'm going to be off 17, so that's 13 shots.
13 shots match play.
Let's get into it.
Oh, that is a cracker. My goodness, wonderful. Oh, that's a good shot. That's really good. Well done.
Wow.
Oh, see that for... That's a heck of a shot. Wind's taking it at the end, but it should be close. Well played.
Slow greens today.
20 yards. She's just popped it on there. Not the best. That looks pretty good. Come on, keep rolling. Yeah, good effort.
Nice.
Well done. Good 6. Cassie 6 out of 5. I think she gets a shot there, so that should be halved.
Oh, I just the wind.
That's a great shot. The wind's grabbed it, but that's very good. The wind's grabbing him right at the end. Well, this is our Gold Coast and it's windiest. I mean, I have seen windier, but it's very, very wind affected.
It's kind of giving me a headache.
Poor girl. It's very good. Just a little bit long, but not bad.
Nice chip.
That's a good putt.
Okay.
Well done. Nice 4. 2 4s. I think we're all square there because I don't think you get that shot on anymore. The old days you would have done. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. The wind's blowing that right to the middle. Perfect. That's okay, it's straight. It's a good swing. Has it got the legs? I think so. Oh, has it? It's over. Unlucky. Great shot.
Nice shot.
Cassie hit a very good shot in there. The wind behind just took it an extra 20 yards. Got to get it going at least. It's a bit slow at the beginning, yeah. That's good. Okay, take that away. Well done.
Nice.
Okay, my par, Cassie 6, net 5. I'm 1 up now.
Nice shot.
Oh, that's a great shot. That's massive. The wind's drawing it around. Really nice. Well played.
Wow. Nice shot.
So Cassie hit a monster there, and hit driver 5 iron, still not quite on. I hit it really low. Happy with the shot. It's just obviously when you're hitting low, it doesn't go quite as far. Well, the wind's grabbed it. That's a nice strike. It's going to be the left side of the. The wind really took that.
wind is actually insane. It's a nice chip.
So Cassie was flag high. The ball moved about 30 yards in the air. Stabbed the glass twice. But that is extremely good. How, Joe?
Nice putt. Oh!
The wind is crazy. See this? Cassie made a fabulous 4 for that little chip and tap in. So she won that hole and we're back to all square as we go up number 5.
Ah! It's alright, it won't get in there.
I can't see it. Oh, that's a good shot. Straight at it, isn't it? Oh wow, what a lovely shot. 8 iron there.
It's a good shot. Woo!
Cassie went about 5 yards long. That's the danger of that one. Cassie took an 8 iron up the hill and it was just a bit too much club, but she only had an 8 iron, 7 iron in her hand, so we didn't bother changing. So it just shows if you're not sure, just wait for the caddy and then get the club you want. This is a tricky, you've got to get speedy enough to get to the slope and then it just won't stop. That's actually not bad. A bit harsh, really. So uphill slow. That's a good putt. Okay, take it away.
It's a nice shot. And it goes for another hole in one.
That's a good shot. Just the wind killed it. Good shot. Good putt. Great putt. Well played.
Nice.
Okay, my par on the last hole, and Cassie a great putt there for bogey, but she doesn't get a shot on that one anymore. So
I
it's
had to save it, otherwise I would have lost.
all square.
Oh! Yeah.
It's a great shot. No, that's really good. That's really good. That's what we want in this hole, just a controlled straight one.
Nice shot. Oh yeah, it went on.
Oh, that looks good. Yeah, well on. Just a little bit right, but it's a good shot.
It's a good shot.
See if she gives it enough juice. Not quite enough juice. Oh, unlucky. Take it away.
Nice. Nice shot.
Yeah, it's okay. Just a little bit right. Yeah, no worries whatsoever. That's perfect. Great shot.
Nice shot.
Great shot. Really good.
There's a crazy slope on the screen. He has to hit to where the caddy is to be able to get anywhere near to the tricky putt. Oh, yeah, it's a good shot.
Okay, good, good, good. Oh. Oh, where's the wind? Wind! You'll be fine.
Wow, nice shot.
That's good. The wind's grabbed the heck out of that, but it should be on. She's got about 30 yarder. She's taking an A. It's okay. You're in the middle. It's okay.
Nice putt.
That looks pretty good. Get in. Get in. Okay. Well played. Putter goes through. Beautiful. Okay. Good job. Cassie made 7 at 6. My 5 means we're all square. All square after part 1. Very even honours even there. In this very strong wind, we actually played some pretty decent shots, so we're quite happy.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned to watch our part 2 of this match play.